Hey guys, 'tis the season for witches and wizards, so I'm making a ton of wands to sell at the local store. This one is just a leopard wood handle with a cherry wand shaft. I just used a cherry dowel for it. I had somebody write in my comments I should add some carving to my work. I think that's a great idea. I went and got a Dremel just for the wands, made on this one a few little marks in it. You know, if you're a Harry Potter fan, you've seen the movies, Dumbledore's wand or the older one has like some knobs on it with little holes and stuff. So I kind of did this one like that. I did some other wands today too. Worked some Indian ebony and some walnut and some holly. I'm gonna do a couple of different things where I just got regular wands that don't each have a handle. It's just sort of like the movies, they're all one solid piece. And then if you've played the video game Hogwarts Legacy, you can sort of customize your wand, get different wand handles. So that's kind of what inspired these for me. Anyway, big nerd here, so sorry to ramble on about that. Thanks for watching, thanks for following. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos. I'm working on some lawn furniture too, so might have a little bit of that coming up soon. Thanks.